Dr. Bindu Rohatgi, practicing obstetrician and gynecologist attached with the Bhagirathi Neonatal Hospital, Rowden Street. Today we are going to talk about the fibroids. Fibroids are the simple benign tumor arising from the muscle of the uterus. That's why they are also known as myoma uterus. The reason why the fibroids happen is unknown. It is mostly idiopathic, but sometimes the lifestyle, delayed childbirth, delayed marriage, no children or infertility as well as genetic factor might be taken into consideration. What are the symptoms of the fibroids? Symptoms of the fibroids are sometimes they are asymptomatic most of the time, but sometimes they may present with the heavy menstrual bleeding, intermenstrual bleeding. Then they can present at the infertility, they can present at the simply bloating of the abdomen, difficulty in passing of the urine, and weight pain during the menstrual cycle, that is known as dysmenorrhea. Now, how can we diagnose the fibroid? As we know, fibroids are very common. It is usually present 20 to 80% of the people in the reproductive age group. So they can be diagnosed over ultrasonography. If we have to confirm them, we can redo the scan, we can do the MRI, we can do the CT scan. Now, what is the treatment of the fibroids? Fibroids can be treated depending on the size, number and the patient's reproductive needs. Say if the patient is infertile, we might need to remove the fibroid and save the uterus. So there can be medical treatment and there can be surgical treatment. Medical treatment is usually reserved in the fibroids who are less than 4 cm, only 1 or 2 in number, and in the young age group. Mifepristone and the uleprostol are the two drugs. They are working good for the fibroids in reducing their size. The surgical treatment can be by the open surgery, or it can be by the lap or hysteroscopically. There can be myomectomy, that is only the removing of the fibroids. It's especially in younger age group and the patient who need to be pregnant. And the removal of the uterus, that can be done by laparoscopically or by the open surgery in the patient who are at the older age group or there are larger fibroid or multiple fibroids. Now, the hysteroscopy or the treatment by the inner side of the uterus, we can also remove the submucosal and the polyp fibroid that are present. Now let us discuss about the infertility. The fibroids are present in 15 to 20% infertile patients, so they need the treatment of the fibroid before going for the pregnancy IVF treatment or pregnancy related treatment. Now, what are the effect of fibroid on pregnancy? The fibroid during pregnancy, first thing, fibroid can lead to delayed pregnancy, infertility, miscarriages, and sometime during pregnancy they can enlarge and they can lead to red degeneration and the pain during the pregnancy. But sometimes we can remove them also at the time of the cesarean section if doctor think they can be. Thank you.